Using the community enterprise model and pursuing future research methods study, increasing the value of herbs and the potential of traditional healers in Lampang province. Frakru Suchayafan asked, Professor Dr. Nakorn Lampang Monastic College Dr. Jiratitikan Silpasuan, Kampangfit Rajabat University 3 qualified teachers are 1. Dr. Natanan Jorakitnimit Lecturer and Social Researcher Chiang Mai University 2. Asked, Professor Dr. Anand Upasad, Lecturer Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences Lampang Rajabat University 3. Asked, Professor Dr. Salawat Chaiwang Lecturer of the Faculty of Social Sciences Acting Director of the Academic Office Nakhon Lampang Priest College Respect Ajarn Chowkan Prasaduratanabundit Asik. Professor Drive, Abbot of Wat Sudiwararam Dean of the Graduate School and pay homage to Provost Suti Kitty Bundit, asked. Professor Dr. Director of the Buddhist Research Institute and best regards, Faculty, Committee. All with great pleasure. Abstract. This research aims to 1. Examine the community enterprise model for herbs and traditional healers in Lampang province. 2. Investigate innovations for the potential enhancement of the value of herbs and traditional healers in Lampang province. And 3. Evaluate the model using community enterprise innovations and potential enhancement of the value of herbs and the potential of traditional healers in Lampang province. Both quantitative and qualitative research were included in this study. Interview survey questions and discussion questions were the research's primary instruments. The sample group was made up of 20 experts and the chairman of the community enterprise, which totaled 118 members of the community enterprise. According to the study's findings, the community enterprise on herbs and traditional healers in Lampang province applied the following model and implementation process. The Herbal Enterprises Company plays an enterprise that respects the environment, follows the plan with transparency, and produces a variety of distinctive herbal goods to satisfy the demands of customers. The group of enterprises develops its own brand, determines the product pricing in accordance with the market, and offers incentives to clients. A production plan is also present, which organizes the group's work by allowing members to take part in all phases of production. Indigenous healers investigated their patients' problems, treated them mostly with herbal medication, and monitored the patient's progress during treatment. The following operational developments are planned for Lampang province in order to boost the value of herbs and the potential of traditional healers. Entrepreneurs should start with measures in order to make goods that don't negatively impact the ecosystem and environment in their region. By using the Pahana Pathana, participants can work together to solve difficulties by coordinating their efforts to address them. Use Pawana Pathana as making an effort to grow as a base for management and development of herbal community enterprises so that members can be self-sufficient in a sustainable and concrete way and use Anurakana Pathana as making an effort to maintain to be a base for connecting community knowledge to the development of herbal products for business and product development of herbal community enterprises to meet consumer needs. Future research methodologies and examples of community enterprise innovation following are some additional benefits of herbs and the potential of traditional healers in Lampang province. Researchers should set aside enough money for their inquiries into the names and characteristics of herbs. Utilizing knowledge should be part of the research strategy. Making good acquaintances, forming strong bonds with herbalists for assistance, and choosing what is indicated are all novel approaches to conducting research. As well as practical experiments, the meditation principle should be used by the indigenous healers who took part in the study as a physical training foundation for excellent character, good interpersonal interactions, and seeking knowledge of new herbs. The research will be accomplished in this way. The body of knowledge from innovative research is a future research approach. Value-added herbs and folk healers potential. Table 34 shows the body of knowledge from research using innovation as a future research approach. Value-added herbs and folk healers potential principles and guidelines for future research. Expected results. 1. Researcher 1. Develop products based on values. 2. Develop packaging materials according to the market. Use the 4 wisdom principles as innovations for research, namely, 1. Sapura Samseva. Associate with, build good relations with local sages. Herbal expert. 2. Sadhamasana. Seek advice on what they have knowledge of. Expertise. It will make the work in herbal community enterprises in the future so effective that they can increase product prices without affecting the feelings of customers. Researchers' duties. Prospective research approaches. Expected results. 3. Yanasamasikara. Choose what should be practiced or used, and consider the results that are expected to be useful. 4. Dhammanudhamma. Practice. Brought to the test. Practicing to see good results that can be empirically obtained and summarize the results of the research and applied in real work. 2. Folk healers. 1. Being a consultant and participating in research on herbal products. 2. To provide knowledge on herbs, using the 4 bhavana principles as innovations for joint research, namely 1. Physical health. Having complete physical health. Good personality, reliable. 2. Silafavana. Having good human relations with people in the community. 3. Chittaphavana. Determined to be a good folk healer. 4. Panyabhavana. Enthusiasm for study, seeking new knowledge always about herbal medicine. Received cooperation from the community in finding information on the use of herbs for the desired purpose. Thank you for following this time.